Hey guys, how's it going? How to download apps without payment method on iPhone or iPad for that matter. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to your settings. And what you're gonna do next, you're gonna see your account on Apple, click on it or your name of your account. Now proceed with the next step by going to the payment and shipping right here, right? And basically you're gonna wait it out for a few moments and you're gonna confirm via facial recognition, of course. And then basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna see right here, this is your payment method, right? And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna click on the payment method. If it's not verified, you're gonna see an option just like this, right, to enter the CVV. But if it doesn't, you're gonna be able to see your cards, and then click on the card that you want to delete, and you can see the same settings right here. Scroll a little bit down and click remove the payment method, and double click to confirm that you want to delete that payment method. Go back to your screen and then go ahead to your apps or Google Play, and then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to download an apps without needing to enter your credit card or confirm via payment method. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.